4-4, you're going to identify and write an equation of a parallel or perpendicular line. For the 10, it says to write an equation of a line that is perpendicular. Okay, here we have the original equation of y equals to negative 4x plus 9. Here we can see that this is the original slope of m is equal to negative 4. We can write the original slope is m is equal to negative 4. Now we want the perpendicular slope. And to find the perpendicular slope, we have to do the opposite reciprocal. So the 4 becomes a 1 over 4, and the negative becomes a positive. So there you go. The new perpendicular slope is that. Now we want to find the new y-intercept. So the new y-intercept. Here it says it is the point 0, 3. So the new y-intercept is just b is equal to 3. Now we can just plug into our equation. Y is equal to mx plus b. So y is equal to 1/4 x. Let's make that in green. And plus 3, which is the y-intercept. There you go. Now let's take a look here. You are going to write an equation here that also is perpendicular. Let's take a look at the slope. It's right here. So we can say that original slope is the value of m is equal to 2/3. But we want the perpendicular slope, which is going to force us to do the opposite reciprocal. So we flip it. It becomes 3 over 2. It was a positive, now it's a negative. Now we need to find the new y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, we can use the point. So you're going to use a point here. So we can write y is equal to mx plus b. X is equal to negative 6. Y is equal to 4. So y is 4. The m, we're trying to find the new one, so it's the negative 3 over 2. X is negative 6 plus b. Okay. Negative 3 times negative 6, it is a positive 18 divided by 2 plus b. But 18 divided by 2 can be simplified to just 9. And it is a positive 9 because a negative times a negative is a positive. Subtract 9 on both sides, leaving you with negative 5 equals to b. So this is the new y-intercept. So the new perpendicular line is going to be y equals to the new perpendicular slope of negative 3 over 2 x with the new y-intercept of minus 5. Okay, there you go. So remember, you always have to find the new perpendicular slope and the new y-intercept for both of them.